way a KryptoVault works is you drag and drop a file into the KryptoVault Explorer, and that file is encrypted on your local machine before it's sent over the network to the server. So this gives you a way to access your files wherever you are, and yet have the peace of mind that those files are encrypted and safe. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this. If I go into this new vault that I've created, you'll notice that there's nothing inside of it yet. My favorite way to put files into a KryptoVault is to just drag and drop them from Windows Explorer. And it immediately encrypts the data and uploads it to the server. Now, anywhere else in the world, I can use the same gold key, connect to my KryptoVault, and access this file that I've uploaded. And yet, without my gold key, that data is useless. One of the neatest features of the KryptoVaults is that you can share your vaults using the gold key groups. Remember, with the gold keys, they're registered to a master key, and the master key is registered to a grandmaster key. And with this scheme, the groups that were created by the masters and grandmasters can be assigned to different gold keys. Those same groups can be used with KryptoVault in order to access different vaults. So as a user here, I can open up my KryptoVault and then click on the vault properties up here in the toolbar, and there's a tab called Sharing. On this tab, it lists the groups that my gold key already has. And then it tells the access that that group has to this KryptoVault. But by simply double-clicking on one of these groups, I can give that group read-only access. And then if I double-click on it again, it gives it read-write access. And finally, if I click on it again, they get owner access. So in this case, I'm going to give them read-only access. This means that anyone with this group, the purchasing group, will be able to open this vault and to see my files, but of course they won't be able to change any of them. So I hit apply, and that's done. So now anyone that has the purchasing group will be able to access this vault. In fact, we can even come up here and see the purchasing group as one of the choices, and our KryptoVault shows up as one of the vaults that can be accessed by this group. Now, this adds a lot of possibilities on what you can use this for. For example, if I needed to send my important document to my manager, I could send them a link to the file in the vault. This would mean that in their email, they wouldn't have any sensitive data. They wouldn't even have encrypted sensitive data. They would simply have a link to a file that's inside of the vault. And this can be done quite simply by right-clicking on the file and then choosing the Create Link option. And I can either create a link on the desktop, which would be for me, or I can create a link in an email. So this makes it extremely easy to send documents. I can have a giant file in here and send an email out to lots of people, and they only need to download the file if they want to actually look at it. So this, again, gives you a lot of flexibility and a lot of functionality for sharing documents.